If you're a teacher in the Gadsden Independent School District, you have a Newline panel that has this Windows PC icon, but if you click it, nothing happens because we do not have computers installed in these Newline panels. So what you can do instead is a long press on that Windows icon. That opens up some different options for you. And because we have Chrome boxes, mine is connected to HDMI 1. So I am going to tick HDMI 1, hit the X, and now HDMI 1 is a shortcut. When I click that, it automatically goes to the Chrome box and I'm able to log in as needed. So if you are tired of that Windows PC button that does nothing, do a long press on the icon to start customizing your Newline panel. If you have any other questions or suggestions, please let me know. And thanks so much for watching.